Alright, this is my new Bolens 600. I bought it the other day for $75. So far I took off the mower deck, the engine, and I messed with this shifting thing because it was all messed up, so I fixed that. So the transmission works now. Here's the mower deck. So it was in pretty good condition, but I'm going to part it out on eBay. It's got 3 blades. Yeah, so I'll probably trash that. This is the Briggs that was on that. It was not original. The original one was a lot smaller, I think. I'm not really sure. But this is worthless. I'm just going to take off the car, probably sell that. And then I've got this hood. The hood was rusted through in a couple spots, and there was no hinge for it, so I'm just not going to include that when I'm done. So what I have to do now is buy new front tires for it. These are mismatched and they don't fit on the shaft right. This one's just totally blown, so I'm going to have to replace that as soon as I can. I'm bidding on a couple on eBay right now. Then I have to redo this exhaust. I'm going to put a straight pipe, straight up chrome. It's going to be awesome. Then I'm going to build some sort of frame to go around the engine here, because this is restored, this engine is, so I don't want to dent it or anything, but I still want this to be an off-road tractor, so it's going to be awesome.